A heartbeat is a contraction. Now let's see the way the heart works again before we continue. We have our 4 chambers as usual. Now the heart does not contract at the same time. Now the blood fills the right atrium, deoxygenated blood, and then oxygenated blood fills the left atrium. Now the first part to contract is the top part. It contracts and then forces blood into the bottom parts. The bottom part will then contract, become smaller, and then will force the blood out of the heart. So as this part becomes smaller, this part becomes bigger. As this part becomes smaller, the bottom part, the ventricles, also become bigger. So a heartbeat is a contraction. Each contraction squeezes blood to the lungs and the body. When we are at rest, where we are doing very little activity, there are about 60 to 70 beats per minute. Now, it's not the same with everybody. The rate of heartbeat depends on the age, the gender, and the fitness. Age, gender, and fitness. There are a few people who, when walking, would need to take rests. That is because their heart will beat very, very faster. Now, an increase in physical activity increases the pulse rate. Now, pulse rates can rise to about 200 beats per minute. For example, if you are exercising, the pulse rate can rise from 70 to about 200 beats per minute. Now, once you stop the exercise, the pulse rate drops gradually to its resting state. Now, how quickly the pulse rate will drop will depend on the fitness of the individual. A very fit person will have his or her pulse rate drop faster than someone who is unfit.